everyone, so today I have a special request from my student Nico to learn how to play a song Bruno Mars just to the way you are, and I'm gonna show a very simple chord version. First I'll show you how I play it. So this now is very simple. If you're a beginner, start with F. When I see your face, then D, then B flat, and come back to F. So you can do this entire song like this. When I see your face, keep pressing F. Na, 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 na. Then just press a bunch of Ds. Because you're amazing. B flat a bunch of times. And then you can add C if you want to, just the way you are. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna go F, then D, then B flat, optional C, back to F. Na 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 na. You can just do that. Now for you who know the chords, do the F major chord, then do the D minor chord. F major, by the way, is F, A, C. It's around these three black keys. D minor is D, F, A. And then B flat major is B flat, D, F, B flat. And then you can come back to F. And this little thing, you can add that just to sound a little bit better. This tutorial is for beginner and you can interpret the song kind of like this. These three chords, the F major, the D minor, and B flat major, and then the F over C for the entire song. And C, it's just very, very simple. So I'm just gonna show again how it goes with the song, and I'm just gonna play it to show you that these three chords go everywhere in the entire song. F, D. I'll start with the simple thing, and then I'll add the chords. There you go.